Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, how is everybody doing today? Today we will be making aloo chole. Okay, this is very highly requested recipe. Whenever I make this recipe for my Master Gardeners Club or maybe Orchid Club, they always wanted the recipe. I gave this recipe to everybody. Now I'm gonna give it to the whole world. Everybody makes these recipes different ways. They have a different touch, different taste. So I make my own recipes, so the way I make. So this is the recipe I'm going to be making, the way I make it. So first I'm going to go ahead and boil this chickpeas, Kabuli chana. I soak them overnight, so I'm going to go ahead and boil them for 10 minutes in the pressure cooker once the pressure comes. So then we will come back and go over rest of the ingredients. Okay friends, our chole is ready. I just boiled them for 10 minutes. They're soft. See, see, you don't want to boil too mushy either. They're fine, perfectly fine like this. Okay. Now let's go ahead and start cooking this. There's a lot of ingredients goes in there. I can go over them as I'm using them. Okay. Let's go ahead and start cooking them. Okay friends, my pot is hot. I'm gonna add like a 3 to 4 spoons of oil in there. Okay. Then we're gonna put some chopped onions. I have over here 1 small medium size onion. Either you can use a medium size or a small onions. Okay. I'm using medium size onion. We're gonna saute this for a little while, and also I'm gonna add potatoes with that. So potatoes also is gonna get a little bit tender while it's cooking. So I washed. I have 2 medium-sized potatoes. I washed them and cut them and put it in there. Water because they don't get black. If you leave it outside, they're gonna change the color. They get black. So I'm gonna be using like this. Okay, we're gonna start out this until it gets like a light brown, not very dark brown, golden brown. Then we're gonna add rest of the spices in there. Okay. Okay guys, this is a little bit, see, it's cooked like this, not very brown, just lightly brown, and the potatoes is also half done. So what we are going to do now, we are going to add this garlic and ginger paste, half a spoon, not too much. Okay, just half a spoon of garlic and ginger paste, and we're going to saute it for a few more minutes until the garlic smell goes away. A lot of people love this dish. Whenever I bake for my Master Gardener Club and Garden Club or Orchid Society, wherever I take it, I really love it so much. It's a highly requested dish from everybody. So I'm just making this. I don't know how many times I gave this recipe to people. Okay, then now we're going to add some turmeric in there. Guys, if you are visiting my channel for first time, please subscribe. And pepper, red chili pepper, half a spoon, and coriander powder, 1 spoon, cumin powder, 1 spoon, and I have over here dry mango powder, amchur powder. So I have like a 1.5 spoon because I like a little sour in there. So I put a little bit extra, and then you have some salt. So all this masalas is we're gonna cook for a few minutes. Then we're gonna start putting this. I have some garam masala over here, half a spoon, all spices. Okay. Now Now we are gonna start putting all the chana in there, what we boiled a while ago. Chickpeas. So we'll put all the chickpeas in there. Now we are going to add these chopped tomatoes. 1 chopped tomato. And now I'm going to add some of this same water what we boiled the chickpeas in there. I'm going to add this water in there. Half of the water. Not the whole water. There's too much water over here. And we are going to let it cook for half an hour like this, okay? Then we'll come back and check after half an hour. Okay friends, it's been cooking for half an hour. I think it's ready to be served. This is the way the chana looks nice. And potatoes are also tender. Yep. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to smash some potatoes and some chickpeas. It's going to make like a little bit thick, like a gravy type. That's why I'm going to do it, because everybody's different way. Okay, I'm going to just smash a couple of them, not the whole thing, just a little bit. Okay, so some of them smashed and some of the chickpeas are whole. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna show you how to serve. Then we're gonna go ahead and eat some. Okay friends, if you're visiting my channel for first time, please subscribe. Subscription is free. It's not gonna cost you anything, but my channel is gonna look good. So can you please subscribe? Okay, now we're gonna remove it in the plate. I'm gonna show you how to serve. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We make a lot in Ramadan actually, for iftar. Okay, let's go ahead and show you how to do that. Okay friends, let me show you how I serve. Everybody cook differently, everybody serve differently. This is my mom's recipe, so I usually follow my mom's recipes, the way my mom used to cook. So that's why I'm doing it. So you can try this way, and probably you're gonna like it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some sweet chutney, tamarind and date chutney. I have the recipe in there. I can give it in the description box. It's on my channel. You can make a lot and put in the freezer. Okay, we put some sweet and sour chutney and some green chutney. Looks so yummy. And then we'll put some cilantro and green pepper. And we put some save. This is a little bit small, thin save. So made with the chickpeas. And we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of this. So it looks yummy. It's like a chaat. It's a chaat house. Okay guys, look at that. It looks so nice and delicious. Try this. Definitely you're gonna like it. If you like it, please share with your friends, okay? Friends and family. I'm gonna try this and I'm gonna let you know how it is. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Very good. Really, really good. So please try this and let me know how it is. Okay, bye.